Hey guys, welcome to Salted Carnuts. Today we'll be looking at sports cars and Hot Wheels open wheelers. So these are Hot Wheels open wheelers. And these are the sports cars which I was talking about. So now let's start with Hot Wheels open wheelers. This is Hot Wheels head starter. And this is Hot Wheels street cleaver. This is Hot Wheels Radical Racer. So now let's go to the sports cars. This is Fair Lady 2000, which is a Nissan. This is a classic sports car. I don't think they use it now. This is Mastretta MXR. This is Lamborghini Gallardo LP 564. This is Porsche 911 GT2. So we have a special guest here. This is Nissan Skyline GTR. I've been working on modifying this car, but I've yet not modified this car. That's all for today. Thank you and meet me in the next video.